everybody, it's Martha. Welcome back. I am here today with the finished giveaway journal. Yay! Today we will do a flip through and I will post in the description box the requirements in order to enter to win this giveaway journal. I decided that I will ship it worldwide. I don't know how that's going to go as far as the post office right now. We may have to wait to ship it out. So I'm just telling you now, depending on who wins and where you are and circumstances when the entries are all in and the giveaway is closed, I will have to make a decision then when it will get shipped out. Okay. So, this is the Crazy Butterfly Journal. Most of what I used inside is from Andrea at Artie Mays, and she is on Etsy and YouTube, and I used her Butterflies in Blue kit. I believe that's the name. I will try to remember to link that below. I'm very bad at putting links in, but I want to give credit where credit's due. So, I have had kits with this fabric and the placemats and the napkins that I've used in this journal in my shop. However, at this moment in time, this is the 9th of April, 2020. We are in the middle of the pandemic, the COVID-19 pandemic. I have removed I've removed all of the physical items from my shop. I have a few digitals that I played around with, but I don't have any physical items in my shop at the moment because I'm so uncertain about what's going to happen with this pandemic. And postal service and lots of other things. I don't want to expose myself. I have underlying health issues, like I had a major heart attack and died in 2007, and I don't really want to catch this thing. Even if I didn't have underlying health issues, I still wouldn't want to catch this thing. I'm taking it very, very seriously. I don't like exposing my husband to it. When the swine flu was going around, I think it was 2009, he caught the first case in our county, and he was deathly ill for a good 2 weeks. I can't imagine what this would do to him as far as that, because he has had pneumonia in the past, and some other things. So I don't want either of us to get sick, and I don't want us to be exposed to it. So we're being very, very careful. That being said, today is April 9th, 2020. And the contest will close on April 18th, which is a Saturday. So on Sunday the 19th, I will do the draw for the winner. And I don't know if there will be second and third gifts or not. I haven't decided that yet. I will decide by the time the 18th comes along. Okay? So in order to win, you must be a subscriber, which I will check. You must leave me a comment below. I don't care what the comment is, as long as it's nice. I will not include anybody I think is a scammer, a spammer, that leaves weird comments, or that I don't know is actually in our journaling world. And I can tell the difference. I'm not stupid. And I am reporting spammers and scammers that show up on my channel because I've seen the same ones on everybody else's channels. And, you know, if you can leave me a nice comment, I'd appreciate it. So that's all that will be in the rules, but they will also be in the description box below. So now to do a quick flip through of this. I have used an off-cut piece of the fabric for the tie. It is very irregular. This end is skinny, this end is fatter. That's how I roll. I like irregular. I don't like perfection because perfection kills my creativity. So I have put the inside cover on. I used a placemat for the inside, and I have put a pocket in the front and a pocket in the back, which you will see. And the edges are just sewn around. It's very uneven. The inside of this is a file folder. And I did only end up putting 2 signatures in because 2 signatures were plenty big enough, and this is what I have left, and it would have never fit in this cover. So that's why I may be doing a secondary journal. We'll see. So I've been playing around with some digitals, so I put a couple of my own tags in the pockets. This is an Artie Mays page, tea-dyed. These are the little fold-out envelopes for journaling spots that I made. This is green masking paper, so it's got a nice sound. Edith Holden. This is some cutout from the placemat on my tea-dyed paper. This is a little paper bag that I've decoupaged on with 2 tall, skinny journaling cards. Napkin decoupage on parchment paper with a blue tinge to it. This is a altered envelope with a journaling card. More napkin. This is a large journaling card, or you could actually put it behind a page if you wanted to use it to write, you know, to support the page. And there's a very tea-stained, stamped, gessoed, beat-up kind of large doily. And this is tracing paper. Nice crinkle to it. Music paper with a pocket. And this is one of the envelopes that comes in Andrea's kit. And I've gessoed, and I've stamped, and I've decoupaged. This is the center of the signature, and it's a altered paper bag that I did a video on. So it's got a card here. This also could be used if you wanted to use it behind a page like that, and you could write, and you can see the lines through the tracing paper, and it gives you a nice surface to write on. So you can use these cards as support for pages. This is one of the tags out of many that I made from the large collage boards on book pages. This is from Andrea's kit, and I shrunk it up so you can write in it, and you can write on the back of it. And another large tag. I can't speak today. I don't know what my problem is. Another miniature with stenciling and inked. And another board or journaling card that you could use. Okay. This is a flip-up tag. All I did was on Andrea's... This is how Andrea designed it, and I just cut it out. Instead of cutting it in 2, I just folded it over. This is more napkin decoupage and stamping. And another tag in here. And this is an altered paper clip I made. It just can be that you could use that on any page to hold something on that you want to put in here. Another tag. Another journaling card. Edith Holden. Masking paper. And another tag. And another envelope. And I didn't seal the envelope, but you could seal the envelope when you get it. If that's what you want, feel free to do that. And then that's the end of the first signature. And the second signature, again, is very similar, so I'll just flip through it real quick. And more tags, different tags. This was also in Andrea's kit, and I just left it as 2 The other one is on the other side here. Right there. So I just sewed it in as one big tag. And then this has a belly band with a little notepad in it, and you can just tear these sheets off or write little things on each one if you want to, but they're all different. And another tag. Another Edith Holden with butterflies, of course. Some more in the altered paper bag, and again another card in there and another card in there. Two more spots there. Lots and lots of writing or spots that you could, you know, do art on, whatever your little heart desires. Large tag there. Two more cards there. And that's it. And some more of my little digitals I played with back here. So I hope you will like this enough to enter. And again, this contest will be open through April 18th, 2020. And I will then close the contest. And you must be a subscriber. You must leave a comment below. And you must, and that'll enter you to win. I'm sorry. That will enter you to win. So once you've done that, I will run the contest on the 19th of April, and we will see who wins. So good luck. Thank you ever so much for being here and being a subscriber. I very much appreciate it. I hope this finds everyone well and not affected physically by this COVID-19 pandemic. And I hope that mentally, you're holding it together. It's tough, but we're a strong group, and I hope you are all well and stay healthy mentally and physically. Don't eat too much. My husband's been baking and cooking, and I'm gaining weight like crazy, so I gotta start moving more. I want to be alive when this is all over. So you guys take care. Be well. I love you. Love you for being here. I greatly appreciate it. And I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye, everybody.